Good morning, students. We can start exercise 6.2. This is very simple exercise, okay? So I am directly starting the exercise here. So first question, find the square of the following numbers. First part, the given number is 32. So usually you can find the square by multiplying the number with the same number. That means if you want to calculate 32 square, 32, if you want to write square, you should write 2 in this upper part. Okay, in the upper case you have to write 2. This you can read it as 32 square. If you are writing 32 here, it is 3, then it is called 32 cube. If you are writing 32, if you are writing here 4, then 32 raised to 4, and it is continuing the same way. 34, 32 raised to 5, 32 raised to 6, 32 raised to 7, and continuing like this. This is 32 square, 32 cube, 32 raised to 4. Okay, and rest of the numbers we can read it as raised to, raised to, raised to. Okay, so normally if you want to find 32 square, that means you have to multiply the number given number 32 2 times. 32 into 32, that is the meaning of 32 square. Okay, but in this exercise you have to find out the square of given numbers by without doing actual multiplication. That means you cannot do 32 into 32 for calculating 32 square in this exercise, because it is asking that without doing multiplication you have to find out the squares of given numbers. So if you want to find out 32 square, first of all you have to convert this 32 into the form of tens digit. Okay, so which is the nearest 10 digit number? Tens digit number. So if you are taking 32 is in between 30 and 40. So which is the nearest number? 30. So 32 we can write it as 30 plus 2, because 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Nearest number is 30. So 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So 32 square we can write it as 30 plus 2 the whole square. If you are splitting a given number into two digits, then you have to use bracket here. So that means 30 plus 2 the whole square means 30 plus 2 you have to multiply 2 times. 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. Then you know that what is distributive property. What is that? A plus B into C plus D. You know that what is the property here? A into C plus D plus B into C plus D. After that you have to do what you have to do here. AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. A into C, AC, A into D, AD, B into C, BC, B into D, BD. So this equation you can use to solve this given question. Okay, so 30 plus 2 the whole square you can write as 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. I am going to apply this one. So first number 30 into remaining full part, 30 plus 2, here it is plus, so I am writing this plus, remaining number it is 2, and again same number 30 plus 2. Okay, so 30 into 30 means again 30 square plus 30 into 2. Now you have to open this bracket. This 30 is applicable for this 30 and 2. So 30 into 30, 30 square. 30 into 2 you will get 60 plus 2 into 30, 60 plus 2 into 2, that means 2 square. 30 square means 30 into 30. 30 into 30, 3 into 3, 9, again 20, 900. Okay, plus 60 I am writing 60, 60, 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, 4. So after adding all these numbers, 900 plus 60 plus 60 plus 4. Final answer you will get 1024. So in this question you can use the same method for calculating rest of the numbers. I will show you one more number. Okay, so 46. 46 you can write it as 46 square you have to calculate, correct? So 40 plus 6 the whole square you can write. So 40 plus 6 means 40 plus 6 into 40 plus 6. So first number 40 into this whole part, 40 plus 6 again remaining plus 6 into 40 plus 6, correct? So 40 into 40, 40 square, plus 40 into 6, 4 into 6 is equal to 24, remaining 10, plus 6 into 40, 240, plus 6 into 6, 6 square. So 40 square, 1600, plus 240 I am writing here, 240 plus 240 plus 6 square is equal to what? 36. So after that, sum of all these numbers, you will get the final answer 2116. So rest of the question you can apply the same method. First the given number you have to split it into 2, and the whole square method you have to apply. Then the same number 40 plus 6 you have to multiply 2 times. So first number 40 into this one 40 plus 6, plus second number plus 6 into this 40 plus 6. Then open the bracket. After that, if you want to open this bracket, this one into this one, that we written here. Again this 40 into 6 we written here. Again this 6 into 40 we written the answer. Again this 6 into 6, 6 square. So this 40 is common for 40 and 6. Here the 6 is common for 40 and 6. That is we applied here. Okay. After that, normal calculation and summation. Clear? So rest of the questions in question number 1, do it as homework.